everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So you may have heard of or seen Salt & Stone on our website. They sell mostly sunscreen products, but also a few deodorants. This is the deodorant that we've had for a while now. It's the lavender, rosemary and sage scent. There we go. So it is like a white stick like that, contains baking soda. They recently introduced two new sticks. One is vetiver lemongrass and sandalwood, and the other one is eucalyptus, pink grapefruit and bergamot. So these are a little different in that they're a clear stick, so they don't contain baking soda. Some people are sensitive to baking soda. These do not contain that, and they go on nice and clear, leave no stains or residue. All three of the deodorants don't contain any alcohol, aluminum, parabens, synthetic dyes or fragrances, etc. So they're all completely naturally scented. Contain probiotics that help to neutralize body odor. Also a little bit of hyaluronic acid, which is really good at helping to moisturize the skin under the arm. They smell really good. I quite like the eucalyptus grapefruit bergamot one. It gives a nice subtle scent, not too overpowering. So yeah, if you're looking for a good natural alcohol aluminum-free deodorant that doesn't smell too strong, check them out. Salt & Stone, 3 different options to choose from, and it also is available in the store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.